Hey y'all, Aaron, TN Treasures coming at you from Memphis, Tennessee. Helen's put me to task. We need to come up with a better way to store some of our stuff here for reselling and being a little more efficient. So I'm going to share with you a little bit of a journey and possibly a little experiment, right? Experience. That's what I guess every experience is an experiment, right? So I'm tapping on a great big box in front of me here. Let me do the magic of editing and show you what I got. So hang on. So this big box right here is a giant storage rack. So apologize, upside down. So it's 7 tiers, 21 bins, commercial grade, NSF certified bin rack. So if you look right there, it says fragile, caution, exceeds 50 pounds, team lift. Well, I apologize all, I'm the team of one today. So yours truly is gonna be bringing this box and placing it out in its new home. So let's begin the journey. Stay tuned. So we're gonna walk this down together, see? Who needs two people? Just get my toes out of the way. Here it comes, down to the ground. And just like that, we're in. Now, I think half of the ploy was just to get me to get out here and clean a little bit. So that's where it's going, that nice storage rack. So we're gonna see a little bit of a before and after, and we'll kind of do some time-lapse stuff here. We'll have some fun. Stay tuned. So Coco thinks there's something in here, like a bird or a squirrel, but every time I turn the camera on, she runs away. I'll show you what she looks like a little bit later. But hey, box is in the room and we are ready to go. Oh my goodness, have some pieces and parts. All right, I'm hoping this is not a 6-hour project.
So it wasn't a 6-hour project. It was actually really easy and a lot of fun. There's 21 plastic bins. There are 7 shelves, I believe. It's just important to make sure that you have the plastic clips that hold the shelves orientated in the right direction. Pretty self-explanatory, has a little top on it. Also, your caffeinated beverage of choice will help make the project go a little bit easier. But the bins stack on pretty good. Also, make sure you check which shelf. There is a top and bottom shelf that has an extra high lip on it. So it's just important to make sure that you get that in the right place. But all in all, this was an easy 5 out of 5.
Well, there's the finished project. So I'll give an update here as I do a summary, but all in all, it was a fun little project. And we'll definitely be putting that to some really good use. All right, talk to you soon.
So that was a fun project. And for $179 from Sam's Club, it was supposed to be delivered like around May 5th or 6th. It actually came about a week early, so I was super thrilled. So DIY project, hardness scale, like I said, this was an easy one, very low, no tools required. Follow the instructions. Just make sure you have an area where you can set out all the pieces and parts and just make sure that you have everything. I still have loads of extra pieces and little spacers. I'm not exactly sure what they're used for, but I'll find something to do with them. Other than that, I've already got the stickers on there for the inventory system. I got a new table that we're going to be doing some pictures on for some of our eBay stuff. I'm really excited to get using that space. It's actually a really nice piece. Might even be buying another one soon. So again, don't be afraid of that. Find the link in the description here and don't hesitate to buy. Again, I'm not getting paid for this. I'm not sponsored for the video. Paid it out of my own pocket. So again, I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave some comments. Let us know how we did. Thanks a lot, you all. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.